Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy exchange-traded funds on Robinhood, follow these step-by-step instructions to invest in ETFs through this commission-free platform. Step 1. Download the Robinhood app and create an account by providing your personal information, social security number, and employment details for verification. Step 2. Link your bank account to fund your Robinhood account. Transfer money from your bank, which typically takes 3 to 5 business days, or use Robinhood Instant for immediate access. Step 3. Once your account is funded, tap the search icon at the bottom of the app. Search for specific ETFs by name or ticker symbol, such as SPY or VOO. Step 4. Select the ETF from search results to view its current price, holdings, performance chart, and key information like expense ratio and dividend yield. Step 5. Tap the Trade button at the bottom right. Select Buy and choose whether to invest a specific dollar amount or purchase a set number of shares. Step 6. For dollar-based investing, Robinhood allows fractional shares, enabling you to invest any amount. For share-based investing, enter the number of whole shares. Step 7. Review your order details and swipe up to confirm. Your ETF purchase executes immediately during market hours. View your holdings in the portfolio section to track performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.